My name is Fitri Deviananda Salsabila, a biology student at the State Islamic University of Maulana Malik Ibrahim. My goal is to make this video a complete the final project of the History of Islamic Civilization course. Number 1. Education, a literacy eradication effort. Arab society is known as an illiterate community. Most boys will be more prone of the use of memorization than writing. The arrival of Muhammad SAW to Medina at the beginning of his hijrah period opened a new awareness of reading and writing. When Muhammad entered Medina, he saw the Jews teaching their children to read and write. The Prophet was then interested and ordered 10 people from his friends to study with the Jew. Sociocultural abolition of slavery elevating the degree of slaves as in Bilal in the Quran the word. Slave is repeated good times with a lot of sense that the slave is worth it. And reciting polygamy. A baby girl who was born in the past was considered a disaster, and for people who still adhered to Jahiliyah tradition, they would have the heart to bury her alive. Tolerance between religions, such as the formation of the Medina-Carter Agreement. Economy, riba and zakat, and efforts to alleviate poverty, where the majority of people's livelihood is trending. Elimination of usury is also correlated with poverty alleviation efforts. In addition to the abolition of usury, Islam is also very concerned about monopolistic practice to overcome this and so that the assets don't rotate on one side. Then the obligation of zakat is imposed, which consists of zakat. Number 2. Changes made by the Prophet during his time in Medina to build the city of Medina, namely building a mosque. The first thing the Prophet did was build a mosque in Medina. It is also used as an Islamic center or referred to as a learning center for Muslims, uniting the Muhajirin and Ansar with Ukhwah. Muhammad uniting these two peoples so that they could mutually accept, expect, and live without any dispute, making the state constitution. This is a governance used to manage exciting things in the constitution, laying the fundamental of the state finance of the state was done so that in Medina there was a basis for dealing, issuing right and obligation for citizen. For citizen must be issued to find out who has the right to receive and give something to and from the state, establishing peace in the state. Very important to maintain because economic, political, and social security and a country. Number 3. The Medina Charter is a peace agreement between the Prophet Muhammad and all the tribes and important people in Medina. which is able to unite various differs in terms of ethnicity, class, and religions that mutually reinforce one another. The contents of the Medina Charter consists of several articles. There are 47 articles that regulate the political system, security, religion freedom, peace, and defense. The Medina Charter was formed from the tradition of the Medina Charter community itself. Since the arrival of the Prophet Muhammad to Yathrib and settled in Medina, with the intention of the initial step of the formation First Daulah Islamiyah. The content of the Medina Charter, among others, stipulates religions, expression regarding the safety of property and the prohibition of crimes. Make it relevant whether in making a draft of the rules or when a character is giving a speech. Number 4. Emergence of great scientists and scholars. Apart Islamic reform in politics, military, social, and culture, developed philosophical and methodological thinking, which caused Islamic to retreat far from the Al-Quran and Sunnah. Laws of fight is in Islam, causing inferiority, left behind in various world affairs, dirty politics, exclusivism, and science change. Factor decline of Islam, the absence of a unifying ideology, economic downturn due to science-based studies centered on religions. Sufist philosophy, the power transfer system is not clear. Revived Islamic civilization today is turned to the true teaching of Islam and avoid deviant and misguided Islam teaching, improve the quality of Muslim thought, education, quality, and community, increase the unity of the Muslim Ummah, avoid division among fellow Ummah Islam, and mastering science, technology, and information. Number 5. Lesson to be learned. In the course of Islamic history, not everything is good and bad. Without good lesson for the future, while it's bad, we take wisdom. If in history there is a bad element, it means that it is bad in Islam, but the Muslim which may be misunderstood to the attitude we have to do Islam is rahmatan ilil alamin. The concept is extraordinary, values love, and all that exists is something which is very good. Islamic values do not conflict with modernity and progress, including divinity, law, normal, whether excites such as science and technology. However, human understanding of Islam is sometimes wrong that cause Islam to look not good. Because of that, we have to understand each other, respect the opinion of other. Otherwise, respect each other, then there will be blaming and berating each other. This is what's not true in Islamic Quran, because it's a religion that repeats difference. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.